when you hire a professional to bail you out, don't then tell the professional how to do it. So, I know this is a DIY channel, and I do a lot of things, mostly on the mechanic side of things, and I'm not quite sure I know what I'm doing, but I tackle them relatively successfully. I got a job I got called out to where someone decided they were going to do their own roof, and had no idea how to finish it, which was kind of the crucial part. So, quick video. Check it out, and afterwards I'll let you know my take on that situation.
Alright, YouTube, it's been a while. Haven't really had many decent building projects going on, and this one sure is not decent either. Homeowner decided he wanted to do his own roof and didn't know how to terminate anything. So contractor's been called to bail him out. When the contractor needs bailed out, I usually get the call. So I gotta figure out exactly what's going on here. I didn't know how to do it, but then he leaves me detailed instructions on how to do it. So I got a metal brake set up down there, and start picking away at this thing and see if we can't get it dried in for him. And it's all done-ish. Followed the directions to a T. Put in some ugly flashing. That's about it. There's two 1x4s right there. He wanted a 2x4, but two 1x4s was easier. So, yeah, not really the way I would have done it, but not my call.
So I guess the deal was this guy was going to do this himself, and don't know his background, never even met him. He apparently tore some overhangs off of the shed roof, didn't know how to put them back together. Called contractor. Contractor gave him a price, blah, blah, blah. Sent one of the other carpenters out, because I don't know what I was doing. Probably just not answering my phone because I didn't want to work. Sent him out, and he put the overhangs on. Siding crew went and did that, finished all the soffit, fascias, and everything on there. And then after that, he decided to run his shingles, got up to the top there, had no idea how to terminate it. Which is kind of the important part, because that's where everything ties in and you want to make sure it's dried in. So I got sent out there to bail him out, and he gave very specific instructions for being someone who didn't know how to do it. I understand doing things yourself, trust me. I try to do pretty much everything I can by myself. But if you're calling for a professional to help, don't then tell the professional how it needs to be done. That's frustrating. I'm sure lots of you people, no matter what realm you work in, have dealt with that. So that is the lesson to take. When you hire a professional to bail you out, don't then tell the professional how to do it. Alright guys, we will see you on the next one.